This can be an alternative para sa mga wala pang credit card or hindi pa na-approve sa kanilang credit card application so that you can have an option. Baka kasi mas okay si mas magaan siya, so baka yun na lang instead of applying for a credit card. Alright, so hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, I read from the comments dito sa ating YouTube channel and I learned na kasi I thought lahat ng subscribers natin ay credit card holders, pero hindi pala. And I learned na marami pa rin hindi na-approve sa kanilang mga credit card application. So today, I'm going to talk about BillEase, a substitute for a credit card. BillEase is one of the most talked buy now, pay later app in the Philippines. And so today, I'm going to give you 3 things you should know. And mali natin, baka ma-convince ko kayo na itry ang BillEase kung sakaling hindi kayo na-approve sa mga credit card applications ninyo. Alright, so let us proceed. Number 1, ano nga ba ang BillEase and how it works? BillEase is a credit and loan app that lets you shop now and pay later in easy installments, even without a credit card. You can use it in partner stores like Lazada, Shopee, Agoda, and many more. And eto na, it also offers cash loan which you can send directly to your bank or your e-wallet. O diba? Great. Alright, number 2 na kailangan ninyong malaman, let us see the pros and cons. Alright, so let us be real. BillEase can be used wisely and it can be very helpful if it is used wisely. So ang pros ng BillEase, easy approval, no credit card needed, flexible payment terms, and also may rewards or cashback din siya. Ang cons naman ng BillEase, of course, may interest siya. And missed payments can hurt your record. And it is very easy to overspend if you are not careful. And number 3, smart tips before using BillEase. Always check the interest rates and due dates before confirming. Use it only for planned purchases and essentials. Yung mga talagang kailangan natin. And treat BillEase as your financial tool and not an extra money. Kapag kasi ang tingin mo sa kanya ay extra money, di gastos ka ng gastos. Kasi nga, extra money, meaning excess. Pero hindi kasi siya excess. Financial tool, which means mayroon kang responsibility and obligation to pay like the interest. Kaya, use it wisely. Okay, so I will not speak about BillEase in full details. Kasi gusto ko na first-hand information. Ibig kong sabihin, itry nyo siyang i-download at doon nyo i-discover, basahin ang terms and conditions para yung interest and other obligations to be done or to be accomplished, first-hand information. Mas maganda kasi yung nababasa ninyo sa app para you can really decide right away. So I'm leaving it up to you. You can really decide on your own if you're going to push with BillEase and gusto nyong i-try yung buy now, pay later nila o kaya yung cash loans nila. So, apparently, by giving you the 3 things na kailangan yung i-consider, I know that you have another set of information and wisdom. Because ang BillEase naman talaga is very helpful and it is a very good financial partner only if it is being used with discipline and wisdom. As Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5 says, the plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty. With that being said, sana nakapag-impart ako sa inyo ng knowledge and wisdom on how to handle your finances, especially if you're going to consider Billy's as your financial partner. So, plan wisely and spend responsibly. So again, this can be an alternative para sa mga wala pang credit card or hindi pa na-approve sa kanilang credit card application. Bilis can be of great help sa inyong lahat. So itry nyo ang Bilis so that you can have an option. Baka kasi mas okay si Bilis, mas magaan siya. So baka yun na lang instead of applying for a credit card. But of course, iba din naman kasi yung mga features ng ating mga credit cards kasi mas malaki yung credit limit na binibigay ni bangko sa atin. And meron din tayo mga options na buy now, pay later, cash now, pay later. So may installment din of course ang ating mga credit cards. Etong si Bilis, meron din buy now, pay later and installment and also cash loans. Yun nga lang, to be honest with you, hindi talaga tayo ina-approve ni Bilis ng malaking credit limit. Hindi kagaya ng credit card na kapag maganda at malaki talaga yung income mo din a month is ang pinakamababa I think na binibigyan ng mga credit cards as of now is 20,000 if I'm not mistaken. Pero syempre kapag mas stable ang job mo or ang source of income mo at na-monitor or nakita ni bangko na okay ang payslip mo, no? Kung talagang mataas ang earnings mo, mataas ang income mo, malaki ang income mo monthly, so ang possibility is mas malaki din yung credit limit na ibibigay sa'yo. Si Bilis kasi, mas mababa lang yung credit limit na binibigay niya. But, for a start, lalo na sa ating mga newbie, then okay lang. Malay mo, in the coming days, ma-approve din yung credit card mo. So, magkakaroon ka ng option whether to use your credit card and iset aside mo muna si Bilis. Parang kung baga pang emergency, pwede si Bilis, yung ganon. So, plan ahead. Okay? Plan ahead and spend responsibly as what I've said a while ago. So, hindi tayo magtatagal sa content natin for today. But ito lang, let us pray for one another because we heard from the news yung mga series of earthquakes na nangyayari sa Cebu, sa Davao, and then dito din sa Ilocos, sa San Fernando, nagka-earthquake din noong, I think that was October 9, if I am not mistaken. So, madalas yung mga earthquakes in different areas, so madaming nasaktan, maraming nasira. So, kailangan maging prayerful tayo. So, huwag tayong makampante, kundi magdasal tayo palagi and be ready at all times. And be confident also. Kasi kapag alam mo naman na si Lord ang mag-guide sa'yo, na ang buhay mo na kay Lord, i-lift up mo na lahat sa Kanya, lahat ng fears natin, struggles natin sa buhay, and even in the future events that is going to happen in our lives, kapag meron ka naman talagang hope at pananampalataya sa Diyos, then I know that you will be in good hands. So there you go. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for tuning in. And sana makapag-subscribe na din. Yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, meron tayong notification bell down there that you can tap so that you'll be notified kapag meron tayong bagong videos. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!